Turn up to this one, no heating. Check the program's calling, boiler's not doing anything. Turn the room stat up, make our way into the airing cupboard. Y-plan valve, which means it's a Y-plan system. Have a look in my book. Find the Y-plan wiring diagrams. We look for heating on so that we can trace it back to find out why we've got no heating. Right, so here we got the diagram. It goes from programmer to room stat to zone valve. So we're looking at white. If we've got 240 on white, then we're proving that the programmer and the room stat are both okay because it's sending voltage through them up to the 10-way, which we are. We're getting 240, so it's not an external programmer or room stat problem. Now we're going to check orange to see if it's making the switch over. Do we have 240 on orange? No, we don't. 80 volts, so it'll be the micro switch. So we need to replace the Y-plan valve. So once the micro switch is made, you can see 240 volts. So we only needed to change the head to get it up and running. Happy days. So just go through the wiring diagram for the switch slides only, for hot water off. So we're looking for grey. We should get 240 on grey, which goes from your programmer on hot water off up to the cylinder stat and the zone valve to keep the port shut. Right, for hot water on a Y-plan, it goes from the programmer to the cylinder stat, and then it goes to the boiler on orange. So it doesn't even go to the Y-plan valve. All it does is take power off grey, which opens up the port. So we can check that now. 240 on orange, switch live, boiler's firing for hot water.